Greetings to all the students of class 9. Welcome to today's maths class, where once again we are going to talk about congruency of triangles. Means we are going to continue chapter 7, triangles, congruency of triangles. In our previous videos, we studied different congruency criterias. They were side angle side, SAS, SSS, ASA, angle side angle, AAS means angle side, and RHS means right angle, hypotenuse and sides. To prove any two triangles to be congruent, we prove any of these rules, any of these congruency criteria, and then we say that the triangles are congruent. In our previous videos, we have completed exercise 7.1. So are you all ready to start exercise 7.2? Yes. Let me start exercise 7.2 with the first question. Your first question is, in an isosceles triangle ABC, with AB is equal to AC, the bisectors of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O. Join A to O. Show that OB is equal to OC. AO bisects angle A. Until you see the figure, nothing is going to be clear to you. So let me start understanding the figure, making the figure, and we will write according to it. First of all, you are given an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equal to AC. So we have taken this triangle ABC. I am considering this triangle to be isosceles with AB is equal to AC. Means these two sides are equal. Okay. Before I continue with the statement, I would like to ask here, what can we say about the angles of this isosceles triangle in which two sides are equal? Means if AB is equal to AC, what can we say about B and C? Here you have to keep in mind the result that the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. अगर किसी भी ट्राइंगल की दो साइड्स इक्वल हैं तो उन इक्वल साइड्स के बिल्कुल सामने जो एंगल होगा, ए बी के ऑपोजिट होगा सी, ए सी के ऑपोजिट होगा बी. सो इफ दीज टू साइड्स आर इक्वल, these two angles will also be equal, right? So here side by side I am writing, in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC implies angle B is equal to angle C. Clear? Now I am continuing with the figure because I am going to draw something in the figure. तो पहले आपको ये समझाना जरूरी था क्योंकि फिगर में बनने के बाद वो आपको समझ में शायद थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती समझ में आने में. So after this line, they are saying the bisectors of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O. Angle B का bisector, इस angle का bisector. Bisector means जो लाइन इस एंगल को दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में ब्रेक कर दे. दैट मीन्स दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू दिस एंगल, राइट? एंगल सी का बाइसेक्टर ऑफ एंगल बी एंड सी. ड्रॉ द बाइसेक्टर ऑफ एंगल सी ऑल्सो. नाउ दे आर सेइंग दे आर इंटरसेक्टिंग एट पॉइंट ओ, राइट? आई हैव टेकन द बाइसेक्टर ऑफ दिस एंगल ऑल्सो. दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस, right? They are intersecting at A, means the point of intersection of bisectors is O. And now join A to O. A को O से join कर दीजिए. Now what you have to show is OB is equal to OC. This is OB. This line you have to prove to be equal to this OC. And second you have to prove AO bisects angle A. this line AO, it is bisecting this angle. We have to prove that this angle will be equal to this angle. So two things we have to prove here. ये इसके equal है और ये angle इसके equal है, right? So first of all we are writing what is given to us. First of all आपको given है एक triangle, isosceles triangle है, in which you are given AB is equal to AC. Second thing, you are given that BO bisects angle B, CO bisects angle C, right? Only this is given. And what we have to prove? These two terms. So this is what we have written in to prove part, that OB is equal to OC and AO bisects angle A. Means I am going to prove this angle is equal to this angle, right? So I started my question with this. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. ये इसके इक्वल थी, इसीलिए एंगल B और एंगल C इक्वल थे. अगर एंगल B और एंगल C इक्वल है, नाउ आई हैव टू प्रूव OB इज इक्वल टू OC. अगर OB को OC के इक्वल प्रूव करना है, तो इन दिस केस व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू शो इज, ये एंगल अगर इस एंगल के इक्वल हो जाए, ट्राइंगल OBC के अंदर वाला एंगल B अगर इस एंगल के इक्वल हो जाए, देन ऑपोजिट साइड्स ऑफ इक्वल एंगल्स विल बी इक्वल. हमने सबसे पहले कहा कि अगर साइड्स इक्वल होती हैं तो उनके सामने वाले एंगल्स भी इक्वल होते हैं. नाउ वी आर सेइंग कि अगर हम दो एंगल्स को इक्वल प्रूव कर दें तो उनके सामने वाली साइड्स भी इक्वल हो जाएंगी, राइट? लेट मी टेक दिस एज 1 एंड दिस वन एज 2, this one as 3 and this one as 4, this is 5 and this is 6. अब मैं क्या प्रूव करने वाली हूं? आई एम गोइंग टू प्रूव दैट 2 इज इक्वल टू 4. जैसे ही 2 इज इक्वल टू 4 हो जाएगा तो 2 के सामने OC, 4 के सामने OB, दोनों इक्वल हो जाएंगे और मेरा फर्स्ट पार्ट हो जाएगा, राइट? अब 2 और 4 को इक्वल लाने के लिए क्या करें? फॉर दैट 2 क्या है? इट इज हाफ ऑफ एंगल B, क्योंकि ये बाइसेक्ट कर रही है. So I need half of angle B, and what is 4? It is half of angle C, right? So क्या करना पड़ेगा? We will have to take half of both the angles, right? अगर B और C equal हैं तो उनके half भी आपस में equal होंगे. Means half of angle B is equal to half of angle C. But half of angle B is what? Angle 2. And half of C is angle 4, right? And if 2 and 4 are equal, what can we say? 2 के सामने क्या है? Opposite of 2 is OC. और 4 के नीचे क्या लिखेंगे? What is opposite to 4? OB. Write down the reason here. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal, right? Just like we are writing the reason here, we will have to mention the reason here also, because whatsoever we do in theorems, we have to write the reason. Here you have written AB is equal to AC. Now we are saying angle B is equal to angle C. What will be the reason here? Here the reason will be angles opposite to equal sides are equal, right? Okay, now this is our first part proved. We have to now move to the second part, that is AO bisects angle A. ये 5 और 6 को हमने equal प्रूव करना है. Now to prove 5 is equal to 6, what we are going to do? We are going to prove the congruency. किसकी कॉन्ग्रुएंसी? ऐसे दो ट्राइंगल्स की कॉन्ग्रुएंसी जिसमें 5 और 6 आएंगे. नाउ 5 इज कमिंग इन विच ट्राइंगल? एंगल 5 इज कमिंग इन ट्राइंगल AOB, दिस ट्राइंगल, एंड एंगल 6 इज कमिंग इन AOC. So let me prove the congruency of triangle AOB and AOC. Let me see what congruency we can have here. In this triangle, angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Can I say? अभी हमने किया था कि अगर B C के इक्वल है तो half of B half of C के इक्वल है. अगर B का half 2 है तो B का half 1 भी तो है. That means angle 1 is equal to angle 3, because 3 is half of C, right? So one angle is proved, that 1 is equal to 3. Second, Now only we have proved that OB is equal to OC, right? And you are given that AB is equal to AC. One more thing we have here. One more thing we have AO is equal to AO. So we have four things equal. अब आपकी यहाँ पे congruency दो लग सकती हैं. We have all the sides of these two triangles equal. ये इसके equal है. Of this triangle BO, from this triangle CO, they are equal. AB is equal to AC. So side congruency से equal हो गए. Or we can have this side is equal to this. This angle is equal to this angle. This side is equal to this side. So we can have side, angle, side also. It's your choice. Whichever congruency you want to apply, you may. I am going to use side congruency. Let me write AOB and AOC. From AOB, AO is equal to AO. What is the reason? This is common to both the triangles. Then AB is equal to AC. This side is equal to this side. What is the reason? This is given to us. And then we are writing that OB is equal to OC. What is the reason? We have proved. So we will write here that we have proved this result above. So we triangle AOB congruent to triangle AOC by SSS congruency. Right? If the two triangles are congruent, can I now say that angle 5 is equal to angle 6? What is the reason? Congruency के बाद आप जितने भी parts equal बोलते हैं, their reason is CPCT. And what is the full form of CPCT? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. And if 5 is equal to 6 means I can say that AO bisects angle A, hence proved. Right? So what we have done in the question, you were given an isosceles triangle ABC. In this triangle you were given AB is equal to AC. आपको ये given था, this is the bisector of angle B. This is the bisector of angle C. They are intersecting at point O. You have joined point A to O. And then you had to prove that OB is equal to OC and AO bisects angle A. Right? For that, what we did, हमने सबसे पहले prove किया OB is equal to OC. उसके लिए हमने prove किया angle 2 is equal to angle 4. और 2 is equal to 4 कहाँ से आया? उसको देखने के लिए हमने कहा इन ट्राइंगल ABC, AB और AC इक्वल है. अगर AB और AC इक्वल है तो AB के सामने वाला ये एंगल, AC के सामने वाला एंगल B और एंगल C कैसे होंगे? इक्वल. अगर ये दो एंगल्स इक्वल हैं तो इनके हाफ भी क्या होंगे? इक्वल. मीन्स हाफ ऑफ B इज इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ C. बट हाफ ऑफ B इज एंगल 2 and half of C is angle 4 because these are the bisectors. तो इसका हाफ ये हो गया, इसका हाफ ये हो गया. राइट? सो एंगल 2 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 4. और अगर 2 इज इक्वल टू 4 है तो जो एंगल्स इक्वल हो गए उनके सामने वाली साइड्स भी क्या होंगी? इक्वल. 2 4 के इक्वल है तो 2 के सामने 2 है एंगल OBC में, तो अभी हम OBC की बात करेंगे. 2 के सामने साइड है OC, 4 के सामने साइड है OB. So if 2 and 4 are equal, then OC and OB they will be equal. Reason we will write sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Right? So this was your first part we proved. For the second part, when we have to prove this side bisects angle A, means I have to prove angle 5 is equal to angle 6. उसके लिए मैंने ये ट्राइंगल लिया, ये ट्राइंगल लिया, इन दोनों ट्राइंगल्स की प्रूव की congruency. And to prove their congruency, we are taking AB and AC. They are equal. Given AO is equal to AO. This is common to both the triangles. And then we are saying OB और OC equal है. हमने अभी prove किया है that they are equal. So by side congruency, the two triangles are congruent. If they are congruent, their corresponding parts will be equal, means angle 5 will be equal to angle 6. और अगर 5 6 equal हो गए means AO angle A को क्या कर रही है, bisect कर रही है, right? So this was your question number 1. Let me move to question number 2. Your second question is, in triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular bisector of BC. ABC. This is the triangle. In this triangle, AD is perpendicular bisector of BC. We have to show that ABC is an isosceles triangle. जब आपने प्रूव करना है AB isosceles triangle है, means we have to prove that AB is equal to AC. We are going to prove ये साइड इस साइड के इक्वल है. AB AC के इक्वल प्रूव करनी है, means क्या प्रूव करेंगे? We will prove the congruency of two triangles. और CPCT से हम कह देंगे AB and AC they are equal. Now how to prove the two triangles to be congruent? For that, let me see what is given. AD is perpendicular bisector. दो words use किए हैं. They are saying perpendicular means 90 degree angle. Bisector means दो equal parts में divide करने वाला, right? So AD इसके ऊपर perpendicular भी है, means this and this angle they are 90 and bisecting this line, इस line को दो equal parts में divide कर रहा है, means ये वाली आपको इसके equal given है. So in these two triangles हम कह देंगे AD and AD they are common. इस ट्राइंगल का ये एंगल, इस ट्राइंगल का ये एंगल, दोनों इक्वल है 90 दिस साइड इज इक्वल टू दिस साइड गिवन टू अस. सो बाय साइड एंगल side congruency both the triangles will be congruent, and if they are congruent the side AB will be equal to the side AC by CPCT. Let me see how to write and what to write. It is a theorem. So first of all, let me write what is given to us. We are given a triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC and BD is equal to CD. Can I write it? Because they are saying this is bisector also of this line. So this is equal to this. And what we have to prove? We have to prove ABC is isosceles, means we have to prove AB is equal to AC. Let me do the proof. प्रूफ के लिए हमने कौन कौन सी दो ट्राइंगल्स ली हैं? वी आर टेकिंग ट्राइंगल ABD एंड ट्राइंगल ACD, right? We are taking two triangles ABD and triangle ACD. AD is equal to AD. Reason is common. This side is common to both the triangles. Let me give them the name. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equal to 90 degree. Both are 90. It is given to us. And the third one is BD is equal to CD. This is given. That implies we can say that triangle ADB congruent triangle ADC by SAS congruency. And if they are congruent means we can say that AB is equal to AC. और अगर दो sides equal हो गई means triangle is isosceles. Hence proved. Right? So what was given in the question? You were given a triangle ABC in which this was perpendicular as well as bisector of this line. Perpendicular means 90. These angles 1 and 2 they are 90, and bisector means BD is equal to CD. And what you had to prove, this triangle is isosceles. Isosceles means AB and AC they are equal. So what we did in the questions, we took the two triangles separately and proved their congruency. How we proved their congruency? We took AD is equal to AD. This is common. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Both are 90. BD is equal to DC because this is given to us that this is the bisector of BC. So BD and CD, they are equal. So by side angle, side congruency, the two triangles are congruent. और अगर ये दो triangles congruent हो गए, दो sides तो equal पहले ही थी, तो third side इसकी और इसकी आपस में क्या हो जाएंगी? Equal. Means AB and AC, they will be equal. In triangle ABC, if two sides are equal, then the triangle will be isosceles, right? So we proved triangle ABC as isosceles triangle. Let me come to the next question. Your third question is, ABC is an isosceles triangle. Again, you are given an isosceles triangle. Means two sides are equal. In which altitude BE. What is the meaning of this word altitude? Altitude means the perpendicular, right? Altitude BE. B से AC के ऊपर जो 90 degree angle होगा, that will be the altitude. So this is altitude BE and this is also the altitude CF, right? Altitudes BE and CF are drawn to the equal sides AC and AB. Equal sides means AC and AB. The two sides are equal. These two are the perpendiculars and they are saying are drawn equal to the equal sides, and we have to show that these altitudes are equal. Altitudes आपने equal prove करने हैं, means you have to prove that BE is equal to CF. Let me write what is given to us. What is given? Given is ABC is an isosceles triangle. So we are writing it like in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. One thing, this is given to us. What else? The other is altitude BE and altitude CF. That means given thing is BE is the altitude and CF is also the altitude. So you are given this, and first, second given to us is BE perpendicular. On which line BE is perpendicular? It is perpendicular on AC. And third is given to us is CF perpendicular on AB, right? And what we have to prove? We have to prove that altitudes are equal, means we have to prove that BE is equal to CF. Proof कैसे करें? Proof में हमने जो prove करना है equal, that we see that in which triangles do they lie. BE कौन सी triangle का part है? BE is the part of triangle ABE and CF. CF is the part of triangle ACF. So we are going to prove the congruency of ABE, the green triangle, and triangle ACF, the brown triangle, right? इन दोनों की अगर हम congruency prove कर देते हैं, then by CPCT we will be able to say that BE is equal to CF. अब हमारा काम रह गया इन दो triangles की congruency prove करना, right? Congruency कैसे करें? Let we see. AB and AC. This is given. Green triangle. मैं इधर अलग अलग लिख देती हूँ. Green, and here I am using the word brown. Green triangle की AB. Brown triangle की AC. Equal है, right? Green triangle का एंगल E. देख लीजिए. Green triangle का एंगल E. और ब्राउन ट्राइंगल का कौन सा एंगल? ब्राउन ट्राइंगल का एंगल F. दे आर इक्वल बिकॉज दे बोथ आर 90. What else? Can I say angle A is there in both the triangles? Angle A is there in green triangle. Angle A is also there in brown triangle. So angle A is equal to angle A, right? तो मेरे पास दो एंगल्स हैं, एक साइड है. So either I can have angle side or I can have angle side angle. Let we see which congruency is here, whether angle side angle or angle side. तो किसी एक triangle में देख लेते हैं. AB, angle E and angle A. चलिए देखते हैं. AB दिस इज द साइड, एंगल ए एंड एंगल ई, ये दो तो एंगल्स हैं. अगर एंगल साइड एंगल होती तो ये साइड होनी चाहिए थी, एंगल साइड एंगल, राइट. इन दोनों एंगल्स के बिल्कुल बीच वाली साइड जो है अगर वो होती तो ये एंगल साइड एंगल बनती. बट नाउ दिस इज एंगल एंगल side congruency, right? So let we start. We are taking triangle ABE and triangle ACF. In this angle A, let me first write angle E because I have to follow the sequence angle angle साइड. तो उसके लिए ग्रीन में देखती हूँ एंगल एंगल साइड, इस तरह से बन रहा है, एंगल एंगल साइड नहीं है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम राइटिंग एंगल ई इज इक्वल टू एंगल एफ. व्हाट इज द रीजन? ईच 90 डिग्री in given in the question that they are perpendiculars. What else? Other angle is angle A is equal to angle A because this is common, right? And the third is we said AB is equal to AC. This is given to us, right? That implies the two triangles, triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF by angle angle side congruency, right? And if the two triangles are congruent तो इसकी BE और इसकी CF क्या हो जाएंगी? They will be equal by CPCT. Hence proved, right? So what we did in the question, you were given triangle ABC. In this triangle you were given that this is isosceles, means AB and EC they were equal. These two were the altitudes, 90 degree angle BE, CF is also 90 degree angle on AB, and we had to prove that BE and CF they are equal. अगर इन दोनों को इक्वल करना है तो हम वो ट्राइंगल ले लेते हैं जिनमें ये साइड्स आ रही हैं. BE is coming in this triangle, CF is coming in this triangle, right? अब आप ये कहेंगे कि मैम BE तो इस नीचे वाले ट्राइंगल में भी आ रही है, CF भी नीचे वाले ट्राइंगल में आ रही है. सो यू कैन टेक दैट ऑल्सो. दैट वे इफ यू वॉन्ट टू ट्राई यू विल ट्राई दिस योरसेल्फ. या तो दोनों ट्राइंगल्स ऊपर वाले लेंगे या दोनों ट्राइंगल्स आप नीचे वाले लेंगे, फिर करके देखिएगा कि कौन सी कॉन्ग्रुएंसी आपकी बनती है. इफ यू आर टेकिंग ट्राइंगल दिस वन और यू टेक दिस एंड दिस ट्राइंगल, right? That way you will try to do the question yourself. I have taken the upper triangles, right? तो BE मेरी आ रही थी ट्राइंगल ABE में और CF मेरी आ रही थी ट्राइंगल ACF के अंदर. So I have taken these two triangles. इन दोनों ट्राइंगल्स के अंदर क्या क्या मेरा कॉमन था, क्या क्या इक्वल था, लेट वी सी. एक तो मुझे गिवन था AB एंड AC, दे टू वर इक्वल. ग्रीन ट्राइंगल का एंगल E, ब्राउन ट्राइंगल का एंगल F, दे आर इक्वल बिकॉज दे बोथ आर 90-90. और एंगल A इज देयर इन बोथ द ट्राइंगल्स, ग्रीन में भी है और ब्राउन में भी है, राइट? सो हमारे पास तीन चीजें इक्वल आ गई. तीन चीजें AB, एंगल E एंड एंगल A. यहां से हमने कॉन्ग्रुएंसी बनाई है. एंगल एंगल, एक आपने ये वाला एंगल लिया है, सो एंगल एंगल साइड, राइट? सो एंगल एंगल साइड से आपकी ये दोनों ट्राइंगल्स हुई कॉन्ग्रुएंट. और अगर ये कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो गई तो इनकी BE और CF दोनों साइड्स कैसी हो जाएंगी? बाय CPCT the two sides will be equal, and hence this was the question, right? So you have to practice these three questions, writing all the questions twice so that they can fix in your mind and you do not forget these questions. It is very important to write the theorems, and otherwise they will go from your mind and they will not come back, right? So practice a lot. Thanks for today. Goodbye.